Hello everyone. 10th class social 12th chapter The World Between the World Wars. Introduction. In this chapter, we shall talk about the history of the world in the first half of the 20th century, the causes and consequences of two world wars, and the creation of an institution like the United Nations to ensure world peace and development. The 20th century. Eric Hobsbawm, a historian, called the 20th century the Age of Extreme. The Age of Extreme is a book. Eric Hobson of a state, communism, capitalism, and nationalism as the disastrous failures comment on what he sees. At the beginning of the 20th century, the world had a population of 1.6 billion people. Industrial capitalism and had changed the way many people earn their livelihood. So, here, at the beginning of the 20th century, the world populated 1.6 billion people. Industrial capitalism had changed the many way in their livelihoods. Some of the Western countries, especially Britain, were the leading industrial powers and also held vast colonial empires spread all over the world. The world war divided into West, which was experiencing economical growth, and the rest, whose actual backwardness was caused by colonial exploitation by the West. Literacy levels and average life expectancy grow immensely for all the people. Some of the new forms of arts like movies emerged. Moreover, the dynamic interactions among the changes in many different areas political, economical, technological, cultural, and environmental they generated the need for even more changes. The Great Depression, which lasted from 1929 to the early 1940, causing massive unemployment breakdown and two world war in which million dead and the lives of many more million were dislocated. Hence, the 20th century was period of great expectations, experiments, and dangerous developments. And some of the more discoveries like in the field of science new discoveries were made about life items and more 100 countries become independent all over the world. Some countries like ussr experimented with socialism under which the states owned all the factories and banks and adopted planned development. In some other countries like the USA adopted liberal democracy which ensured political liberty for all with multi-party democracy. Here, World War's ominous facts. At the beginning of the century, the world was divided into developed industrialized country of the West, which including Britain, USA, Germany, France, Italy, Japan, etc., and colonial countries of Asia and Africa were divided into rival blocs. Here, at the beginning of the century, the world divided into developed industrialized countries of the West, including Britain, Germany, France, Japan, etc., and colonial countries of Asia and Africa were divided into rival blocs. Here, rival blocs Germany, Australia, Hungary versus Britain, France, Russia. Here, sorry, this is not important. First, First World War. The First World War was begun in 1914. It was really a world war because almost all the countries were uh, participated in the war. Imperial nationals and the colonies, China, Japan on the east, and USA on the west part in the war. The first war ended in the death of Germany and its allies and its victory of Britain and France in 1918. Causes for the World War. Sometimes it may be asked in a form of questions. Aggressive nationalism. The ideology of nationalism was a positive impulse. Many newly formed modern nations were created in Europe because of the people's strong feeling of nationalism. It was also the force behind the unification of Germany and Italy. But this ideology could also be used to create a pride in oneself and hatred against neighbors. Italian fascists were formed in 1923 and National Socialism of Germany Nazis were the other form of aggressive nationalism. In the aggressive nationalism, the ideology of national was a positive impulse and newly formed modern nations created in Europe because the people have strong feeling of nationalisms. It was also force behind the unification of Germany and Italy. But ideology could also use to create a pride and hatred against neighbors. Italian fascists were formed 1923 and National Socialism of Germany Nazis were the other form of aggressive nationalism. Imperialism as industrial capital developed in European countries like Britain, Germany, and USA. They need raw material for their products and access to raw materials. By the end of the 19th century, there was a race for colonial between European powers. As new industrial powers like Japan, Germany, and Italy emerged, they wanted to divide the colonies. The power were not ready for this. This created much stress, often leading to war. Imperialism as an industrial capital developed in Europe, like Britain and Germany, USA. They need raw materials for their products to act. By the end of the 19th century, there was a race between European powers. As new industrial powers like Japan, Germany, and Italy emerged, they wanted to redivide the colonies, um, but all industrial powers were not ready for this. This created a lot tension, often leading to wars. Secret alliance. After defeating France into 1870, Bismarck, a German challenger, the German challenger wanted to isolate France. Bismarck made a secret alliance with Austria in 1879 and Italy and Austria in 1887. Sorry, 1880. 18 Bismarck. Sorry, wait. Italy. In 1882. Sorry, in 1882. Hence, it's called as a Triple Alliance. France made mutual alliance with Russia in 1891, with Britain in 1904. To protect itself, France and Britain formed their Triple Entente in 1907. Triple Alliance and Triple Entente made the Europe powers jealous and suspicious of one another. Instead of real peace, this alliance created an atmosphere of the fear and armed peace in Europe. Here, secret alliance after defeating France in 1817, Bismarck challenged the whole unification of Germany. The German challenger wanted to isolate France. He made a secret alliance with Austria in 1879 and Italy, Austria in 1882. Hence, it was called Triple Alliance. France made a mutual alliance with Russia in 1891 and with Britain in 1904 to protect itself. Russia, France, and Britain formed the Triple Entente in 1907. The Triple Alliance led to Germany, and the Entente made the European powers jealous and suspicious of another. Instead of real peace, this alliance created an atmosphere of fear and armed peace in Europe. Militarism. Militarism is the belief the military powers is the best way to ensure security and solve problems. The military expenditure of six powerful countries Germany, Russia, Austria, Italy, France, and Britain increased over the times from 132 millions to 397 millions during the year from 1880 to 1914. The three important things in context of militarism. All the countries built massive standing armies. Second one, they compete with each other in increasing the military weapons. They encouraged people to support war. Thirdly, a large industry of weapons emerged which constantly promoted in idea of using wars as a solution to diplomatic problems. Here, they think militarism is a belief the military powers is the best way to ensure security and solve problems. The military expenditure, the six countries Germany, Russia, Austria, Italy, France, and Britain increased by over three times. There are three important things the concept of militarism. Firstly, all the countries had built massive standings of armies and defense. Like armies means Indian Air Force, Indian Armed Force, Indian Navy, like. Secondly, they complete each other in increasing their military weapons. They encourage people to support war. Thirdly, a large industry of weapons emerged which constantly promoted the ideas using wars as a solution to diplomatic problems. Fifth, Balkan politics. In in Balkan Peninsula, there were many small kingdoms. People belonged to many sets and languages. They were being ruled under the Turkic Empire. After the fall of Ottoman Empire, Austria, Germany, Turkey, Russia competed for the supremacy over the area. Moreover, Russia and Turkey were trying to control Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea region into their hands for a long time. So there was always tense situation around the region. During some time, Australia was trying to suppress the Serbian rebels in Bosnia. The people of Bosnia against the rule of Australia. So uh, there were many small kingdoms in Balkan Peninsula, people belonging to sets, and their language were living them. They were being ruled under the Ottoman Turkic Empire. After the fall of Ottoman Empire, Austria, Germany, Turkey, Russia completed over the supremacy over the area. Moreover, Russia and Turkey were trying to control the Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea region into their hands for a long time. So there was always a tense situation around the region. During the same time, Austria was trying to suppress the Serbian rebels in Bosnia who were against the rule of Austria. And last is immediate causes. Here, immediate cause World War One. On June 28th, 1914, a Bosnia Serb assassinated the Crown Prince Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary. Austria asked Serbia for the explanation on this. Austria declared war on Serbia after the unsatisfactory reply of Serbia on 28th July 1914. This was the immediate cause of the First World War, as Serbia was on the side of Britain, France, and Russia. They came to support it. Germany and its group also decided to jump into the war in support of Austria. This was called the First World War. The immediate cause of World War that aforementioned item come into play. Alliance, imperialism, militarism, nationalism was the assassinated of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary. Sometimes it may be asked in a one mark question. Um, Please go through the complete textbook. Once read. Here I sometimes it totally asked in 4 mark question. I hope you understand. Thank you. Bye bye.